If the molds in your factory are short-lived and easy to break, just take a look at how we do it with 3D printing. Take traditional wooden molds for example. They have to be glued together, piece by piece first, then carved with a CNC machine. Not only is it troublesome to make, but it also has a short lifespan. They only work 5 to 10 times. But making them with 3D printing is so much easier. Just import your 3D model into the 3D printer. It can be printed in just 1 to 2 days. After a quick sanding and some filler, it's ready to use. High-strength engineering materials work for high temp, high pressure, flame retardant, and more. Molds for vacuum forming, pump bodies and more can be made quickly. What molds does your factory use? I'll create a solution for you.